Have you ever installed a memory into your head? Do it. And say to yourself that you're going to remember that for the rest of your life. When you're young, there is a natural curiosity within you that you need to place somewhere. For me, it was just a burning desire to express, all my ideas. What I remember from my youth is just feeling that pureness, that untainted you. There's something inside of you that, as a culture, we celebrate. Just our basic selves, how we are, how we laugh, our small ideas. There's this blanket of being unaware, which is blissful, and it puts you right into the present moment.